Hey guys, it's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo, coming to you with another video. I'm a little under the weather, nose is running, sore throat, everything, but I need to get this video done because I see this trend going around and I need to get in where you fit in. Okay, so I'm going to follow, okay, or I tried, I think that's how they're quoting it, I tried Happy Curl Happy Girl. Like, she to me is the queen of wash and goes next to Glam Twins. So yeah, I had to follow her. That's why I'm looking a little cray right now. Okay, so in her video I'm going to follow what she does. She uses the Eco Styler, I think is black Jamaican castor oil, and in that case I don't have that and I'm not about to go get that, but I'm going to use what I already have, which is also Eco Styler, but it's the coconut oil one and I really do like this one. So yeah, we're about to use that instead of the type that she has. Same brand, same concept, but it's just a different type. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I am going to watch her video and I'm going to place the video on this video as well because I'm going to be watching it from my phone so we can get the concept going. So yeah, if you guys want to see this video that I followed, then go ahead, keep watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe down below for more videos like this, because I think I might do a makeup one. We'll see, okay? So yeah, let's get into it, okay?
This is the dry wash and go. Dry.
So she calls it a dry wash and go, okay? The dry wash and go. So let's get to it, okay?
Yo, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.
Hold on, let's stop this. So she did a deep conditioner and washed her. She did wash her hair, deep condition, put avocado oil. For me, I washed my hair, I deep conditioned my hair, and I think I did like a twist out and I added some Eden Body Works curl stuff on my hair and oil. So my hair is very well moisturized, but I did that on Sunday. So yeah, let's see what else she's about to do.
Me, my touch, it's not, all I'm using is my gel. That is all I'm using. I'm not re-wetting my hair, none of that. What?
So she's not re-wetting her hair, she said, none of it. So yeah, she's just using her gel. So let's see.
So I just want to show you guys how easy it is, alright? You want your hair to be flat, okay? Fly and blush. My styler of choice is my boo. You guys know, okay? If you're new here, Eco Style.
She put her glasses and spectacles on. I ain't doing that. I'm about to get this right. Okay, so hold on, girl. Hold on. Okay, so she just sectioned the whole back off. I can't do that, okay? I need to start in sections. I twist my hair up, God. Hold on. Why am I knocking up? What? What's going on here? Okay, don't get a knot in your hair, okay? She just slapped it on. I can't just be slapping on stuff. I got to detangle my hair. So let's get this started. Alright, so I'm going to say right now, she went through hers way faster than I'm going to go through mine. I'm telling you right now. So we're going to use a good bit of this gel. And we're going to start, baby. We're going to start. Oh my God, girl, she is still going hella fast. Oh my God, no, sis, what is going on? This is not working. Maybe I need to use smaller sections.
So you guys, I want to say that when doing this process, you will need to use a little bit more product.
Okay. You saying use a little bit more product.
You don't have water, it's going straight to dry hair. So
oh my God,
your product is acting as your water and your styler. So So it's just, you know,
this
really
sis,
a little bit more than what you're used to if you try this method. So let's get back to it.
Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Sis. Okay.
Trying this, don't get discouraged if it's not working out right away. Remember that your hair is dry, so it's gonna take a little bit of time, you know.
Because I'm like, what's going on? And I only got the back section because I had a bigger head than you, because like my hair is way thicker.
And your styler. So as you can see, you know, then it would.
Sis, what is going on? I'm not seeing any.
Your product as your water and your styler. So as you can see, you know, it's kind of hard to get that curl.
Oh my God, what did I do? Do I need to wash my hair?
Coming through, and then your hair will eventually start to revert. Anyway,
she is just. I think she does. She said she does. I think she does the praying hand method. She said she shingles it. Like, I don't shingle. I don't really shingle at all. Oh my God. Okay, Lord, please help me. Because this is not going as what I planned. This is not. Sis, this is not working out. Is it? She said that it's going to take some time. That's what she said. Yeah, that's what she said. Okay, but I'm waiting. I mean, is it coming through? I don't know. Okay, God. Help me, Jesus. This is not coming through the way I thought it was. Okay, I'm gonna take a smaller section and let's try it again. Like, I have to pause this because she's going through really fast. Like, I have a bigger head than you, sis, so that's why this is gonna take a little longer. Oh my God. I just feel like, oh Jesus. Oh my God. Let me detangle this. I have to detangle my hair. It's not gonna work without no detangulation, okay? If that's a word. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. She said get the roots real good. Okay. Oh my God. My Lord, my Lord. I don't know about this. Oh my God. Okay, like this is like, what in the world? I need to get the ends real good. Is this working? I'm trying to see if this is gonna work. It says like my hair's not turning out the way hers did. Like, it's not. She does, I think she does like the shingle method, and I don't do shingle method. I have too much hair for shingle method. Okay, so I'm going to try for this damn video. Okay, let's see. What the hell is the shingle method? You just take some hairs and you go through. I think that's what she does. Oh my God. This is not gonna work. I don't know. I don't have a clue what's going on. Let's see. Is this wash and go gonna be the works? Oh my God. And you guys wonder why it's white. I told you I have some curling cream in here still, so we're just gonna keep trying to work on this hair. Okay, let's just keep going. Okay guys, I only did the back half of my head, and this is how it looks so far. I mean, it's not too bad, but sis, my hair is not gonna be done as fast as you. I have a little thicker hair, and it's gonna take a little longer, and like I don't even know, like this is harder than I thought. And I feel like I need a denim brush, no lie. Like I feel like I need a denim brush. Like, let me give some type of, it's cute. Okay, sis, her hair is actually drying in the back already.
On my shirt.
Hey, she's right about that. Nothing's on your shirt.
About a few years and months.
And my hair does take forever to dry.
especially with eco stylers. So this is definitely something you can consider in the summertime.
I'm gonna have to try this some more. Talk about doing this the whole summer. Excuse my broken nail. We're gonna keep at it. So this is the last section I have. Honey, 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 honey. Okay. This is very, oh shoot, I'm dropping Shiznick. Okay, this is very, I like it, but you have to get the concept. You have to get the concept of how to grasp this, because I'm telling you, don't have no broken nails like I do. Let's just put it like that. Don't have a broken nail like I do. Don't have a struggle nail like I do, okay? Because this is not going to be easy. And thick hair, this process for thick hair, I think she said she did it in 20 minutes. No, 20 minutes. Ooh, no, sis. No, and no. So yeah, 20 minutes is not it. Okay, I got to see how she finishes this off, okay? Because clearly
Really took probably like 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
After your dries.
No.
It's not going to be half the time that it would if it was soaking wet, obviously, right?
Yeah, she right about that.
Like I didn't wet my hair at all. All I used is gel, and that's it. That's it.
Okay, let's shake this.
For a drying go.
What?
Well,
okay.
It's a wash and go, because I did wash my hair. But you know what I mean? Like,
we're gonna fix this.
It does make a difference as to what product you do use. Alright? Hear me when I say it does make a difference. Don't go ahead and say it didn't work for me and you tried, you know, I don't know, something with alcohol. You guys, the bottom half of my hair is literally almost dry. Okay, I'll be back.
So she let her hair dry and come back. So this is how my hair looks. This is how my hair looks. This is with it wet. Okay. Okay, let's just get these edges laid as much as I can. This Eco Styler. Honey, 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 honey. Hold on, I gotta get my whole light right now, okay? This is how my hair looks, that I'm done with it, like. But I need to see how it dries. So what I'm gonna do, she came back in an hour to show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the back, how it looks. I think it came out okay. Okay, this is for people with thick hair. This is no freaking joke, okay? She said 20 minutes. Damn it, I said 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Yeah, that's what I say. Just 30 to 45. Give me those extra 10, 15 minutes, okay? Give me that. But I am liking the results a little bit, and she is right. It might dry a little faster. So what I'm gonna do is give it an hour, come back to you guys and show you what my hair looks like, because that's exactly what she did. Came back and show you how it looks in an hour, and I will do it exactly that. So I will catch you guys in an hour. This is like, let me put her on pause because she's about showing her results. So this is like a little over an hour later. I took a shower, everything, and I think she blew hers out a little bit, so I did that to mine. Mine is still damp. My hair is way thicker. It looks way thicker than hers, so maybe that's why it's taking a little longer, and I had to put a lot more gel. But yeah, like she said, it has a slight crunch or whatever. I think she puts oil on it, so I have my oil just in case she does. So we gonna see.
I got the fan blowing, but this is just for me stretching
and
my
that's
hair.
her showing her stretching, and that's for me stretching my
hair. All right.
Okay. The finish is still there a little bit, guys. So yeah.
Take some avocado oil.
So she's using avocado. And I'm not using avocado. I'm using my mixture: olive oil, black Jamaican castor oil, something else in here. Maybe some coconut oil. And she just put it on her hair. And I'm going to do the same, even though I already probably have oil already on my hair. You can never get too much oil, okay? You can never get too much oil. So I'm going to put a little bit more on my hair just to put on the top. And I'm going to just lay my edges down with it too, honey. Yes. But it's not bad. Let's see how she finished this hair, because I need to know, honey. I need to see.
My hair some moisture and shine.
That's how she's fluffing it out.
Do y'all see the folds? They were.
I have a lot of folds.
It's helpful. I hope you try it, or you've already tried it. You know, it's really nothing new. And I do post videos once.
So that is the end of her video. Pretty much she's giving her outro to her video. So yeah, this is my results on my hair. I don't see anything wrong with it. I need my focus. I need you to focus, camera. Mine is not bad at all. I mean, I got the volume. I was a little skeptic at first. I got a little frizz, which is not too bad. I mean, that's what I'm gonna get with my hair all the time. I was really, well, not all the time. If I use my denim brush and it was wet, I probably wouldn't get as much frizz. But I can never complain about just a little frizz, you know what I'm saying? But otherwise than that, it looks good. I'm actually kind of shocked. This is how it looks. And my hair is still a little damp, like I said. I stretched it as much as I can with the hairdryer. So it has a little stretch to it, but it's still damp out here. You can tell the difference. Compared to here and here, it's a little damp still. Like I said, my hair is like way thicker. I can tell it's way thicker than hers. So yes, I mean, I can't complain. Girl, you did that video. I appreciate it, okay? I will probably try it again and see what happens, you know. Yeah, see what happens, because this was fun. It was different. I never did anything like this before, because I do wash and goes, but I don't do them as much, and I do them on wet hair. But doing it on dry hair is so different. I know I need to do something with my hair because it was looking crazy this morning. So this might be the wave for the rest of the week. Yes. So yeah, guys, this is the end of my video. I know I look crazy from the beginning because I have no makeup on, just a fresh face. But yeah, I kind of like my hair, so I'm not mad at it whatsoever. So if you guys do like a video like this, or like videos like this, thumbs up this video. I think I'm gonna have 2 of I followed so and so stay tuned for another video. It will be a makeup version. If you guys want to see that, wait and subscribe so you can know whenever I post it. But yeah, this is the results, guys. It's big hair, curly hair, and dry wash and go. Can't complain, y'all. So until next time, kisses from me to you, and I will link her channel down below if you want to follow her instructions to do her video. And yeah, appreciate it, girl. You did a good video. I like it. I love it. And yeah, guys, subscribe to her, subscribe to me, and until next time, see you later.